Hello Golden, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining, and to my old Golden members, I love you so much and you are dear in my heart. Today we are going to study about eggs, how eggs are gotten in Ghana, that's Doma, and how they are produced by the birds and how they are taken care of, what they eat, how they keep the eggs, the types of egg we have. We are going to do that in a border town called Gonokrom. Gonokrom is located in the Bono region of Ghana, and it shares border with Ivory Coast, that's Cote d'Ivoire. And we have a lot of poultry farms there, and we are going to learn a lot from there. So come along with me as I embark on a journey to study about birds. Guys, as I'm approaching them, they are running away. They are scared. These are guinea fowls. The local name is Akonfem. Guys, they are scared. They are scared of me. I like the fact that when I'm approaching them, they are running away. Wow, I'm enjoying this scene. I always see this in movies where birds gather at one place. Wow, I want to catch one. So guys, this is where they shelter them. There is a lot of ventilation. This is an empty room. It is in sections. And this is the sawdust. This is the sawdust. They defecate on the sawdust and then they collect it. That's why this place looks very neat. I want to see some eating. Guys, if I get close, they run away. I can film for you guys. But when I go close, they run. Mema ni ma ne frafra. Oh, okay. Into where they who say where mema na where ba.
Mema na omuna omi ya kesi pa no.
Ah, kesi. Ba shrinda omo kon ho ni omo ti so e che say oye ba na.
Ma no ye nketwa no.
Oh, okay. Mitimi hu nketwa no. Oh, okay. Inti muton aboana na nikosia.
Nikosia no ye ko pare.
Menti asie. The eggs,
they bought the eggs and put it in the this machine.
So they don't sell the guinea fowls. Oh, okay. And if I told them a dime way empty. But not first, if you were Hana. Ache. Oh, okay. Hi, come on. Inti banners ne mudi tuma na den. We no. Ana muchi. Oh, okay, that means that. We almost on more holding. I'm in a helmet because we are going to different kinds of poultry farm. We are using a motor, so I'm in a helmet. I don't want to remove it, that's why I'm in a helmet. But that's literally it for this section of the farm. These are guinea fowls, locally known as Akonfem. And guys, their meat are very, very delicious. When you go to the northern sector in Ghana, they are mostly grilled, smoked, or fried and used for stews and soups. And the juices in the bone is very tasty, and it's very expensive as compared to the normal fowls. The eggs of the guinea fowls are also expensive as compared to the regular fowls. So I'm hoping that when we move to the next section of the farm, we will see the regular fowls and we'll get someone to educate us on what they eat and how they feed. I want to capture some of them eating, but anytime I approach them, they fly. I hope you can see. Guys, see pepper. Guys, this is a pepper plant. Two is ripe and it's directly in front of the poultry farm. This is the cage. This is how it looks like. These are all empty. And mostly the poultry farms are outskirts of the town. This town is Doma. We are in Doma town, and mostly the poultry farm is outside Doma town. This side of the building is sealed totally, and these are the windows. The other side are also full of window for ventilation. And guys, the reason why these poultry farms are outskirts of the town is they do smell. And because they do smell, if it's closer to the town, we will not be able to breathe. That is why these poultry farms are outskirts of the town. It is even better when it's in the farm. When it's in the farm, you can plant a lot of things at the same time, taking care of your poultry. But when it's in the town, you will be surrounded with houses, and someone will be complaining, someone will be nagging, and you won't even have peace of mind to take care of your fowls, because these fowls are living things. They need attention, they need love, they need care. Guys, you can see because it's in a vast land, there is pawpaw and there is tomato. What? It's a plantain. This isn't ready yet, but it's on its way. There's another one here. And this is a cashew plant. This is a tomato plant. I learned this is NPK, and it helps the tomato to grow faster. I don't know, but I've observed that they don't put it directly under the plant, but beside the plant. It's closer, a little bit closer, the tomato plant. So this whole land full of tomatoes. Guys, if I was staying here, I would be so happy, but it's quite unfortunate that sometimes you have to stay in town to achieve certain things. So guys, we are heading to the next station. I'm hoping we will see better things in the next station. This is come along with me as I educate you on my journey. Pacho, Mario, and I say, let me a video. These are my people. Let me greet them. These are my people. They educated me. This is the main boss. So we are saying goodbye. Okay, bye bye. So we are going to the next station. This is Kwejo Imam, and he's in charge of this poultry farm. He's the one who takes care of this poultry farm. So, anyway, what Benny? Nkoko Benny. Okay. He says these are the foreign birds. They are from abroad. Okay. Into when to say the Ghana ye will be no koko for no when to say we a koko. Okay. The eggs, these birds are white and red in wine. The ones that look like brown in color, these birds are the white ones and the wine ones. Okay. Inti munya nketwa na nya ekese na no matter. And this the poultry farm be started free say. Oh, be started free say and sana ekese. Wow. Inti edu say dia yenye kosi asem. Yenye kosi asem we abotre. So how many years now bet me akase on bedroom?
3 weeks.
Okay, these are 3 weeks best. 3 weeks best. Wow. Inti Abuawe, how many months no bet me there kesia or betu kosia?
Every 5 almost 4 months.
Okay.
4 months no more started.
Okay. So he said after 4 months the birds are eligible to lay eggs. Into 4 months, say okay, so after 4 months they'll be very huge in sizes. Where layers. So these are the layers. So cute. Wow. The reason why you're not supposed to enter inside is maybe you may have sickness or a disease that you can transfer it to the birds, so it's not allowed for you to enter inside. I came from different poultry farms before coming here. They may have some diseases there, and then I may transfer it here, and these people, they cannot withstand the disease. So that's the best way. But he is here, so he can enter. See, you can enter. Yeah. And he can enter and put water and put food. More 10 weeks.
Yeah, Nena, it is one.
Okay. Which one and son of master tickles you at all?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's me funny say, Omunya can listen now. Naka 6 weeks, 16 weeks, no more. 4 months.
16 weeks. 16 weeks, 4 months. Before they lay, they cut the beak, as I said earlier. Inti anutwa no so ma mu didi ntem.
Ucha omona anona. On the 2 weeks, on bentimi nidi. Papa say kuru. Nti ye de omo to aduru so na bukuru na wuntem. Omoni. Nti nena.
So guys, this one's the beak is still longer. So they are yet to cut. And guys, the importance of cutting the mouth is to allow them eat faster and also not to peg the egg. Okay, I'm betting you have boko shiano. Okay. Into a man and man are they? Oh, okay. Females. These are layers. Layers. And our broilers. These are layers.
If you did 3 times a day, because you are so you eat 4 times a day. And up 12, me 2, me 4. 4 no day any happen.
Oh, okay. It's 4 no. Me free her now.
No, you free her. Now can watch mine.
Watch man. Okay. Into Uncle Connie to meet say from 4. Ebe Emma Adechi. Into Adechi.
So automatic.
Oh, okay. Janu crab a woman.
Janu
crab a woman.
Yeah. It's a dear betching a bevano. Like a crab woman, son of your feet.
Oh, okay. It's so 90. And Bungu. Oh, okay. Okay.
Nebo, they says here, watch mine or until now. The Okubun, so by your own field.
Okay.
It's not what was in.
Okay.
Your ban of an ear.
Okay. Internal Panama should be biased. Now, if you are near them,
the drinkers, the go back at me near the support.
Okay. And only good from sir. Woman no better pra.
That be really time this one. I and 4 months piano. I say 2 sodas in food.
Oh, okay. In the time is soon your car. Oh, okay.
Also, you 2 years ago.
Okay, now the monton and monton. Because now your poultry farm back could be here. Or no, now yet talk from how the coil for your mango for man careful. Not yet, they go crazy. Oh, nice. These are maize. Someone's maize. Is it yellow corn? Okay, these are yellow corn. Wow. Shells. They mix it with the feed. It makes the egg of the fowl very hard. This increases the feed, the quantity of the feed, and the shell makes the egg shell very hard. And to keep you how many years? He said they always use it. So within a month, all the things here will just finish.
Fish.
Okay, fish. It makes the fowl eat the feed because it brings some nice aroma to the shelter. So this is maize. This is concentrate. Yeah. What is it used for? It has a lot of fat. This is what causes it, the concentrate. Yeah. So it seems they know everything here. Everything here has a name. This is maize. I don't know pay yellow corn, sir. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. These are corn from last year. Guys, see. Oh my God. Guys, these are corn from last year. And this year, they also eat some when they need some. And it's a very nice job. He said the yellow corn is flavorful and very tasty. That's why they like it. Concentrate. This concentrate, but this has a label. Yeah, this has a label. This is the mixture. Guys, it's very tall. It's one I have fruity and in the room. And then the far. You want quantity. See you. Oh, okay. Okay. I said, born in a better japo. Now, if you're free here, but
you have a sancano, also, no man up or
or the fish concentrate no more fra.
Not fish in
oh, okay, nice.
we are not yet. Sack and asham.
Achano ha. Wow. It's when you are embada. Wow. 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 Guys. Now there's scale here. So after this, you put it on the scale and it reads. Wow. Hey guys, this is 50 kilo. And when you buy anything, and then money. Monton. It's meaning now more than share in one. Hey, one or more than say. Okay. Wow. I'm a pancake. It's a one is a more year. No moody. No moody. Because I thought you need to make coffee. Yeah. But what was that day we are? Only problem. Wow. Where are they? It's in the day, ni huna na ningo. Okay, guys, this palm nut, the palm nut has been crushed into a powder form. This is it. Wow. Into where the front are they? When you add this to the corn, it allows the bird develop meat. Mudim kukono. And I nikosianti na moye
say you are chicken.
Mosan chiton. Wow, guys. So this is the mixing process.
Great. But I different what do you call it? Get
okay.
An egg P4, number P3, number P2, P1. P1 I can see pan.
Okay.
Full about
P2.
P3. We say we don't friend P4 or and I mix because I mix it. I can send them to you after.
Okay.
Very greedy.
Okay.
To show the any size to do.
Yes.
I send it over.
And I all broken.
I will begin to about price.
Into a mobile beton and one is on my body or more pay. Obian the price, not what are they all pay. Some of the prices are here. Yeah. So these are the workers. These are the beautiful mothers working here. So this is the eggs from the fowls. We no more the pancake kosiano. Oh, okay. Oh, the kosia. Oh, beto kosiano diaba. Okay. Into your fans are pine maha. So these are where they get the eggs from the fowls, the master. The feed is used to feed them and they produce the egg. They feed the fowls according to time. This is the egg crate. This is where they arrange the eggs in, as we saw over there. This is the feeder, and this is where they put the feed in. This feed has been kept in since morning. It hasn't finished. They kept it in around 7:30. I learned when you are pouring it, it's supposed to be full. The next feeding is 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Okay, so it's a gradual process. Okay, this is where they lay the eggs. Wow. Okay, this is a layer box. Ben Kosiano Monso. But then if you are cooking, Ben or my son. Guys, I've been able to hold one of them. Oh my god. Drinkers.
Yeah, we soon from mobile. Honor.
Auntie Moon Kosan Sombe, my channel pipes to this thing. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, wow. A rim. Into our time, I best stop here. This is called the drinker. And I was asking, won't it be full? The pipes have been channeled directly to it. It pumps automatically. And he's saying that whilst the birds are drinking, the drinker keeps shaking and it brings out more water. So they don't run out of water. Guys, as we are going, they are They are following us. Guys. See, they think I'm coming to feed them, so they are following me. As you can see, their beaks are being cut to enable them eat faster.